The face of Wheeling continues to advance in many ways, including public safety. News 9's Olivia Zinn reveals a lifetime investment that's been made for you and your neighbor.
The Wheeling Fire Department unveiled a new state-of-the-art $1.1 million rescue truck on Thursday, which officials have been waiting on for years. For the first time, the city will have 2 fully loaded rescue trucks. And with the new vehicle comes new capabilities. As usual, response times of an hour to an hour and a half will now drop to about 40 minutes. Usable space will also be increased by 30% from the previous rig.
The features that we selected for it are going to help us facilitate rescues and do things more efficiently. The less time we have to spend doing the rescue, the safer we're going to be.
According to the department, it's not just another purchase. Captain Tadd DeLuca says fires burn differently now, posing a need for more modern technology.
Most everything's petroleum based anymore. There's no natural fiber stuff. House fires 50 years ago were mostly made of wood and other natural things. Now everything's plastic, petroleum based. So the fires grow faster, they're hotter. Even a smaller fire is hotter than a larger fire years ago.
The truck has already hit the roads and is ready to respond. Officials say it was funded through the City of Wheeling and the Community Development Block grants. And this all comes as progress continues on the Wheeling Fire Department's new headquarters in East Wheeling, which officials say should be open by the summer. Reporting for News 9, I'm Olivia Zinn.
Hi, I'm Jamie Baker. Thanks for watching. Here's another video for you to watch, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel.